This is Holly Olson, and I want to walk you through my Adams County, Iowa website. Here you can see at the top we have the menu bar, which has home, motor vehicle, voting, photo history, sheriff's office, agenda, and the search bar. The only two that don't link anywhere are the sheriff's office and the agenda. Here we have a picture of the courthouse, which in the name of the county and the address. On the left we have announcements for Adams County, Iowa. On the right we have a short brief history of the courthouse, and here we have department numbers that they thought were important to include on their homepage, so I did as well with a drop-down box. Here we go to motor vehicle. As you can see, you go in here to try to find out where to take the driver's written test. You look through these. Driver's test. You'd find that it's in the treasurer's office. Here's the phone number and here's the address. Voting. You don't know which precinct you're in, but you can see as you come to this page that it has a nice columns of the precincts that are in Adams County, and there are 5 of them. And to know which one you belong to, you would go to the voting precinct map. Here you see the maps, and you'd be able to find out, according to where your house is located, which precinct you're in. Also, it says to legally vote in Adams County, Iowa, you must be a U.S. citizen, an Iowa resident, live in Adams County, and be 18 years old. Now we go to photo history, and if you want, I have rows of the photo history pictures, and if you want to learn more, you click on the picture, and it'll take you to a bigger picture with a short description underneath it. Here, if you want to search for something, the word or phrase you search for would appear here, and the results would appear underneath that. So that is the desktop version. Now I'm going to show you the mobile version of Adams County, Iowa. It's exactly the same, has everything that is on the desktop version, plus the drop-down box of the phone numbers. Here we have a hamburger, and it has the menu items as well as on the home version, on the desktop version. We go to the motor vehicle. Oh, look, there's driver tests. Treasurer's office. Okay. Go back. Let's check out voting. Voting precincts. It gives you what you need to be and do to vote legally in Adams County. Here are the precincts, and here you can get to the precinct maps to find out where your house is located in, which precinct. You go to photo history. You click on the picture. It takes you to the expanded version plus some details. Here you have the search results, and the word or phrase you typed in will show up here, and these are all the results that are underneath that. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my Adams County website.